Hey everyone, Jason here. In this video, we're going to make the modified half-hitch bracelet. This paracord knot is also known as the bump knot. Before we start the paracord weave, I've already melted together two 7-foot lengths of paracord for an 8-inch bracelet. Now I'll attach the middle of my paracord to one side of the buckle using the common cow's hitch. After that, I set up the opposite end by running the paracord through the top of the other side of my buckle. Now I'm going to attach my bracelet to my jig. If you don't have a jig, it'll be fine, but the jig helps me control what I'm doing and also helps me keep my hands out of the shot a little. From here, I pass the left strand up through the center and then across the top of the left strand before running it up through the left side of the buckle and then under the loop I created to tie another cow's hitch with the left strand. Now I'm going to repeat the process with the right strand, passing the right strand through the center, then across the top of the right strand, through the buckle, and tie another cow's hitch. Okay, so to tie this bracelet, I actually need to flip it over one more time. So I'm taking it out of the jig and flipping it end for end. Now I'm going to pass the left strand through the top of the buckle next to itself and then attach it to the buckle with a simple overhand knot. With the left side attached, I'll do the same with the right strand. Pass it through the top of the buckle and then finish it with an overhand knot. Now that we're all set up, we can begin the modified half-hitch or bump knot weave. Keep your right strand down against your core strands. From there, pass the left strand over all your other strands of paracord, around the back, and then through the loop you've created on the left. Now cinch it up a little, but not too tight. You just want to push it upwards and make it nice and tidy. Now let's continue with the left side and pass it under the other strands, around and over the top, and then again through the loop. Again, cinch it up. So that's the basic weaving pattern, and now we'll work our way down the length of the bracelet. I'm going to make a few more weaves and adjust the camera for a closer view as we go. You can see it's the same pattern. Over the top, around the back, through the loop, and cinch it up. Then behind the back, around the top, through the loop, and cinch it up. Let's have one more closer look. As we near the bottom, I'm going to push the previous weaves up the coarse strands to provide a little more space for my final weave. The final weave is the same as the rest. Over the top, around the back, through the loop, and cinch it up. And then behind the back, around the top, through the loop, and cinch it up. With the final weave finished, I can readjust the previous weaves by sliding them back down and then remove the bracelet from the jig. Now all I need to do is trim my ends with my scissors and melt with my lighter. Of course, with the melted paracord still hot, I'm going to squish it flat against the back of the bracelet. And there you have it, the modified half hitch or bump knot paracord bracelet. If you thought this bracelet was easy to make and would like to see a really great one that's also easy, then I recommend my video, The Baby Sanctified Paracord Bracelet. Link in the description. I hope you check it out, and thanks for watching.